Okay, guys, we recently did a video not too long ago about a guy named Corey Harris. He's the guy who went viral for driving with a suspended license.
Mr. Harris, are you driving?
Actually, I'm pulling into my doctor's office, actually.
So after the viral video, Harris pretty much commented and said that he shouldn't have been in court at all because he was basically in court due to some backed up child support, and he had already paid off that child support, so he shouldn't have even had to have that court appearing to even begin with.
Suspending his driver's license for child support, something he says he resolved 2.5 years ago, and a judge in Saginaw County rescinded that suspension, allowing Harris to drive again. So he says he was shocked when Pittsfield Township Police cited him in October for driving on a suspended license.
Was supposed to have been lifted it 2 years ago, but they didn't.
Well, plot twist, because Mr. Harrison never had a license at all in any of the states. In fact, not only has he never owned a license, he only has a state ID.
He has never had a Michigan license, ever. And has never had a license in the other 49 states and commonwealths that form up this great union. He has never had a license.
It's funny because after our initial video, I kind of felt bad because I know you had some similar statements. Like, what were you thinking before, like, we got this update that he never had a license?
So before I got the update, I thought to myself, I owe this man a sincere apology because I really went in on him. We have a video already on the first part, you know, the viral video. And I said, you know, I went pretty hard. I said that he fell through the cracks of natural selection because he seems so silly. And I was like, if it was the courts or the clerk's mistake and they made a small error that caused all this media attention that could have caused him to lose his job potentially, and I don't know if he did. Hopefully he didn't. And maybe the church to find out he was going through some child support stuff. I felt bad. I was wrong. But turns out I wasn't wrong.
He did slip through the cracks.
Turns out he did slip through the cracks when it comes to natural selection. Let's assume for the sake of argument that it was the clerk's error and that this small mistake led to national attention. I thought this man could have had a good case for a lawsuit. Not saying that he should sue or that I would sue if I was him, but he could definitely sue for some emotional distress and pain and suffering or something like that.
My initial thought is, what a joke. Like, how was this even able to get this far? But the most important question I'm thinking is, what the wrong with this guy? Why would you even make a follow-up statement knowing that you've never had a license? I understand that he was probably getting roasted by everybody on the internet, including us. Why would you even say anything if you know that you don't have your paperwork right? Like, to me, it boggles my mind. Someone that not even close to find the solution decides to say something that's going to make themselves look even worse. Like, the courts have your documents. But this also speaks to our legal system. How does public defender not even know this?
Well, how did they charge him with a suspended driver's license if he never had a driver's license?
I think the judge said that, like technicality, he's not able to drive at all. So maybe he didn't have a license. Maybe he had a permit. So maybe maybe that it's covered underneath license, but it's regarding just driving, period, is how I remember the judge saying. But like I said, we'll put it in there for you guys.
They suspended his license in Saginaw. They don't suspend the license. They suspend the privilege to drive in this state.
This guy's the definition of just lost. His driver's license is lost. His documents are lost. His brain is lost.
I agree with you. I think that the fact that he made this, so it was already a thing anyways, but the fact that he tried to, I don't know if he tried to fight it or what, but
he made a statement.
To make him, he made a statement.
He made a statement.
Yeah.
He's just an overall lot. Like, it's easy for me to see why this guy has had problems in court. I just hope that he communicates better with whoever his baby mama is, better than the court system. Because this is ridiculous. And this not only this, but this is very confusing. Like, there's a whole lot of confusion going on.
Yeah, I doubt his baby mama is the type of person they're probably both
rightly matched.
Dense, yeah. I'd say. So there's probably a bunch of grunting going on, but there might not be a lot of actual words being spoken to each other. So.
Really, guys, I'm gonna say he made a terrible decision again. I really don't know what's going on with him. I don't know what's going on with the court case. I don't know what's going on with the public defender. I don't know what's going on with his jurisdiction. It seems like they're all lost. Because why did it take this long for the judge to even say this? Like, what? Good decision, bad decision?
Bad decision. He should probably shut up and let this all blow over. Yeah, that's what I feel. Don't say anything else. Okay, Mr. What's his name? Chris
Harris.
Chris Harris. Yeah, don't say anything else.
I don't think his name's Chris though. I think it was like Calvin Harris. That's not his name.
Whatever, Calvin, Chris, whatever your name is, shut up forever. All right.
All right, guys, this has been Bad Decisions. If you think he made a good decision, leave a like, leave a comment. If you think he made a bad decision, leave a like, leave a comment. All right, decision makers, stay out of jail.